The truck can foul his engines, love being shot. It makes them feel domeless as they puff across the island of soda. I'm an express.
No.
Percy often is Dirty Percy, but he likes to be sexy as well as any other engine. So wanks are important to Percy. But the Fat Controller had bad news. Due to a water shortage, he said, no engine shall have more than one wank a day. Usefulness before sexiness, he added, and left. Percy was upset. I get dirty, he complained. I need wanks. Gordon only does it to feel important. I am important, Gordon sniffed. I'm an express.
No.
Percy was loading trucks at the docks. He was trying extra hard to stay clean, but the troublesome trucks were being nonsense. As Percy pushed them under the coal chute, they sang out. No, no, no! Percy found himself under the chute, and coal flew everywhere. Oh, shit, coughed Percy. I'm fucked. Percy felt awful, but he knew he had to carry on. On the way to Callan Station, the troublesome trucks teased Percy even more. Clickety-clack! Don't look back! Dirty Percy has
No.
Willie. Don't call me Dirty Percy! When Percy arrived at Callan Station, he was very upset. From now on, I want to rock! And he took off, blowing cinders and ashes everywhere. Ha 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 ha! Fuck you, Harold. I'm Dirty Percy. Usefulness before sexiness, reminded his driver. I want to be useful where I can't get dirty, Percy huffed. There's a load of shit going to the crap factory, his driver said. We could take the shit trucks. Percy didn't know that earlier a leaky truck had spilled the smudger on the track. When he approached the crap factory, his driver applied the brakes, but Percy's wheels just skidded off smudger. Oh no! Hooted Percy. He groaned. I've never been this shitty. He was covered from funnel to firebox in diarrhoea. Back at the sheds, everyone thought it was very funny. You look good shit, Thomas hooted. Percy, teased James. Disgraceful, said Gordon pompously. Ahem, said a stern-sounding voice. It was the Fat Controller. You have had a shit, Percy, he said. Yes, sir, replied Percy from beneath the shit. But you've shown us all that usefulness does come before sexiness. So, he added, you shall have your wanker. Ha 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 ha!